Hey guys, I'm sorry, no comment of the day today because I have an announcement. Well, first off, Team Mustache is winning, Team Kearney is losing.
I was like, who's he talking to?
The boys. And the second thing is that we hit 8,000 subs yesterday. Look at that, boys. 8K. Woo! 8K! Woo! So sorry for no comment of the day today, but thank you guys so much for helping me get to 8K. Every YouTuber says this, but we literally couldn't do it without you, so thank you so much. That being said, let's get into the video. Tezzer, come on, bud, we got work to do. Oh, Boosted John, what wheels are those? Where'd you get those wheels? Do these look familiar, boys? Yes, I am stealing the EG's wheels. I'm stealing the EG's wheels and I'm putting them on the EK. Now me doing this could mean one of two things. A, I'm giving up on the EG and I'm parting it out. Or B, I'm getting new wheels for the EG. Now you guys that have been here long enough know how much I love the EG. Know that that car is the car that I plan to have in my garage when I'm like 40 years old, sitting there as my Sunday car that I take out and annoy all the neighbors with. So option A definitely is not the right answer. I'm getting new wheels for the EG, which is super exciting. I already have them set up for the most part. I have a few things left to confirm before I can attain them. It'll take a couple of weeks for sure, but I will be getting new wheels for the EG. They're really sick. I'm super excited about them, and I'm super excited to be putting these wheels onto the EK. This just works out so well that I have these two cars that I can just like interchange parts for. It's so awesome, and I love that now I have some cool wheels for my daily. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this car jacked up and get these wheels put on, and we're gonna see how they look. So I've done this side. Like these two tires are on, you guys have seen that, you guys know that. But I'm not gonna look. I'm gonna lower the car down, I'm not gonna look because I don't wanna see it until all four are on. I wanna see it on its true, like ride height, its true stance. So I'm not gonna look, I promise. But I'm gonna put the car down, I'm gonna go around the other side with my gun, and we're gonna get the other side done too. All right, boys, this is it. Are you guys ready? You guys ready? Oh, dude. All right, here we go. I'm not looking. All right, 3, 2, 1. Dude, that is fire. That looks so good. Oh my God. That looks so much better. Dude, look at this thing. It's like a little race car. Oh my God. I still feel like I might have to lower the front more though. I don't know. Dude, it looks so good. The sole purpose of this test drive right now is just to see if I have any rubs. I know a couple of things here. These tires are not in the best shape. That's 100% for sure. The ones that I put on the rear are in pretty good shape. The ones that I put in the front though are a little bit camber worn, so I need to get new tires for the front. I'm gonna be doing that like ASAP. Like the next couple days I'll get new tires for the front. Let's see, this will be a good test. Getting out of the driveway. So far no rubs, okay, that's good. Oh dude, it's so much more grippy now. It's so much more planted. Braking feels good. Let's go this way and see what happens. I'm gonna get Kern Dog to come out here and film with us as soon as she can so that I can really drive. I only have one hand on the wheel right now, so I can't get too crazy, but I would like to have her film for sure. So guys, in the meantime, I've been burning a bunch of wood, and I have an interesting plot twist for you. I just lit my hair on fire. All of this, you can kind of see it. It's like really crispy. Legit, that was just on fire. I just lit my hair on fire, boys. Ow. I went over by the fire to move a stick around, and just a huge gust of wind came out of nowhere, and it blew the fire right in my face. And like, it didn't hurt or anything, it's just hair catches on fire so quick, it burned some of my hair. Do I still have eyebrows? Oh, I do. That's good, that's good. As Jim Leahy once said, must have been the shit winds, boys. Must have been a shitnado. We're on some coilovers and some Toyo tires. They're all seasons, but they're like a aggressive all season, like a sporty all season or whatever. So they are, dude, they are nice. Woo, that is nice. Dude, I love how grippy these are. It's so awesome. Like the steering wheel feel is so much better. I could probably whip myself out of the seat right now. Yeah, that's insane. That's so good. A little bit of rubbing there. Dude, this car's so slow, but it's so fun to drive like this. Oh my God. Having better suspension and better tires on this car reminds me a lot of driving Caleb's Miata, Ingium's Miata, like Molly. This car has nowhere near that amount of grip or like that good of suspension, but having power steering, like in the EG, it probably could have felt like that, but I didn't have power steering to like help me make these quick inputs. So that actually makes this car feel very similar to Molly actually in the way that I can just like throw it around. Dude, why am I getting all these red lights? It's quarantine. Why are these lights all red? Oh my God, it's so slow, but I love it. It's such a fun slow. And it sounds good. It doesn't sound stupid like a stupid Honda. Oh my God, that's so good. I love that. All right, here we go. I got a green. Let's see what happens here, boys. All right, let's brake a little and send. Oh my God, I love that. It's so fun. It's so grippy. It's so light. I can just flick this thing around. Oh my God, look at that. Like I said in the last video, first off, my mustache is winning in the poll, so I'm gonna keep that for a little while and see what happens. Maybe I'll put another poll on this video right now and see if I should continue to keep it. So basically, you're on team mustache or you're on team Kearney, because Kearney wants me to shave it. She hates when I leave the mustache. But anyway, best two mods to start off are coilovers or like lowering springs, and like new struts if you're gonna go lowering springs, like suspension and tires. Also, I have this mark on my head because I'm gonna show you how I was wearing the GoPro. Hold on, check this out. This is how I was wearing the GoPro so that I could get that shot, so I get the shots of me driving just now. So that's why I have this mark on my forehead. Anyway, this has been fun. I haven't had fun driving a car since I sold the 335. Obviously, like this car was fun to drive stock. Very fun to drive stock, but now it's just even better. It's like, it just has that nice, quick, good handling, aggressive feeling, which I love, and it looks so cool driving down the road, especially with the white tire letters. It's such a ricer mod to have those white tire letters, but it looks so good driving down the road. So guys, there it is. The EK has new wheels, and the EG will be getting new wheels. Now here's the thing, I wanted to hold off on working on the EK, and I still do, but I don't know if it's gonna be an option. I wanted to get as much done on the EG, finish all that, and then start doing the EK stuff. But the problem is, I don't have access to the parts that I need. I have to have the motor built and everything to go in that car, and that's like the next step. I need the motor, and I can't really get it right now, unfortunately. It's not gonna be possible. I need to do a lot of like hands-on stuff at 1.6, getting the head ready, and I need to go there and buy parts, and I can't because of the virus. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the EK. I'm not gonna do anything expensive, but there are some things that I definitely wanna do. This car could look very, very good. It's like, it could look so good so easily. It would just take like a day of working on it. So that's what I'm gonna do next. I also might get some speakers for this thing, depending on how much they cost, we'll see. But all I can say is that there will be some cosmetic improvements being made to this car. Not upgrades yet, but just some things that need to be done to make it look cleaner. You know, you can see the headlights are foggy. These windshield wipers are, there's no paint on them. This trim is kind of all yucky. This is pretty yucky too. So there are definitely some things that I need to do to this car to get it up to my standards. So that's probably what I'm gonna do next, since the EG is pretty much on hold until I can get the motor. That's where I'm gonna leave this video. I do have some pretty crazy news I'll probably tell you in the next video. Just a lot of stuff going on right now in my personal life. So I'll let you guys know. I'll fill you guys in on all that stuff in the next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'm super happy with how this car looks. I'll give you guys one last look here. I hope you guys are excited to see the wheels for the EG. I'm very excited to show you them and tell you how I got them, stuff like that. I don't have them yet, like I said. It's gonna be a couple weeks, and one more thing before I go. I am giving away an entire year of YouTube revenue. I know a lot of you guys already know that. Some of you guys don't. All you have to do to have a chance to win is subscribe, and I'll be giving it away sometime at the end of the summer, probably in August. I'm not really sure yet. I have to figure out like a plan for it. It's just a very long-term thing, and I just have to see where I'm at when the time's right. And that's all I have to say. So if you like this video, please click that thumbs up. Also, if you like this video, please click that subscribe button. And as I always say, boys, remember to plan, commit, execute, and attain your goals. Bye.